The following video explains how to put together a probability distribution as well as find the mean, variance, and standard deviation of that probability distribution while doing so. This particular distribution is for a survey which finds the longevity of high school friendships. The question asked was, 10 years after you graduate, how many high school friends do you expect to still be friends with? The first step in any survey, as well as any probability distribution, is to go out and collect your raw data. You do this by going out, asking whatever question you may have, and also collect any answers that you may get. The next step is finding the probability of x, or p of x. You do that by dividing the frequency of x by the amount of answers you may have gotten in your survey. So in this case, that is 30 answers. So let's say you want to find the probability of x for the amount of people that answered with one friend. In this case, that is one person. The frequency is one person, so you divide that 1 by 30 and you get 0.03 repeating. After that, you multiply all your p of x's, your probabilities of x, by x itself so that you can afterwards add all of the p of x's multiplied by x together and then find the mu, or in other words, your mean. Then you subtract mu from each of the x's, so 1, 2, 3, all the way to 12 in this case. So let's say, for example, you subtract mu from 1, 4.8665 is our mu, so 1 minus that is negative 3.8665. After that, you square all of those answers, and so that also gets rid of the negatives. So, for example, if you square the answer to x of 5 minus mu, which is 0.1335, you will get 0.0178. The last step on your way to finding variance and standard deviation is to multiply x minus mu squared times the probability of x. So if we go with the probability of x of 1, which is 0.03 repeating, and multiply that by 14.9498, you would get 0.4978. And if you do this for all of them and then add them up together, that is how you get your variance, which in this case happens to be 9.4490. And if you get the square root of that, you have your answer, which in this case is 3.0739. Thank you.